Fried foods are everyone's favourite, but all that oil and grease are unhealthy and can make you fat. Now there's a healthier way with my Gotham steel air fryer. The fast, easy and super healthy way to fry foods without even using oil or fat. We use air instead. The secret is the new technology using cyclonic circulation of superheated air to fry the food. It guarantees a crispy outside while locking in flavour. And the result? Up to 70% less fat and calories. And it's so easy to use. Just fill the basket with any food like these frozen fries. Then close it and set the timer. It works with any type of food up to 400 degrees. And after just 10 minutes, you'll have crispy, fat-free French fries. Or air fry some fresh battered shrimp in 15 minutes. Then just toss in a spicy sauce for a great delight. Transform these corn tortillas into warm homemade nachos in under 5 minutes. It's also great for frozen store-bought snacks like these crunchy pizza logs or melty mozzarella sticks. But it's not just for fried food. Turn this frozen beef into an incredible pot roast in under 30 minutes. And the perforated air basket strains off all the fat.
Similar products can sell for over 15,000 pesos. But here today, you're not going to spend anywhere close to that. It's not 15,000, not 12,000, not even 10,000, not 8,000, and hey, it's not even 6,000 pesos. Because today, as part of our special product introductory promo, you'll receive this amazing product for an unbelievably low, direct from the manufacturer's specially discounted price. And today, we're passing that discount directly on to you. And there's still more. If you're one of the first 20 callers, we'll send it by express delivery for free. That's right, free delivery. Anywhere in the country, but you must order now. And we're so confident that you're going to love this as much as we do that we're going to give you a whole 30 days to try it out for yourself. And if you're not completely 100% satisfied, send it back for a full refund, no questions asked.
So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a message right here on Facebook or go to our website at tvshop.ph. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So Facebook message us now or live chat with us at tvshop.ph right now.